So I'm responsible for information technology for UMBRAGROUP in the U.S. Our role here is to improve the business in any way we can, supporting the group, finding ways to automate and improve the speed of delivery of our products, and technology helps in a lot of those ways.
Success for me is making sure that everyone's working effectively so that we are not wasteful in our operation, and making sure that we're satisfying our on-time delivery requirements and commitments to our customer.
We are a defense company. One of the aspects of the role is that if it has to have a license, I would be the one to analyze the program, decide if it needed a license or not. If it does need a license, then I would have to go to the Department of State and apply for the applicable license for their program.
This location here in Saginaw was acquired by UMBRAGROUP, and our first task was to stand up a whole new network. So as a part of that, we did a lot of proof of concepts on what tools we wanted to implement, and we were able to really implement some cutting-edge technology. We don't have a large team here, so we needed to implement technologies that automated a lot of the work. We needed to have an easy way to identify issues, find the right partners to work with. We've really spread out how we manage cybersecurity here, bringing on the right people to help us manage that on the team.
The security aspect is key. We handle controlled, unclassified information, and as a Department of Defense contractor, it's important that we maintain the security of that information. You know, as we move more and more electronically, it's just as important as the physical security within the facility. UMBRA's here in Saginaw, manufacturing parts to keep our country safe. With the history we've had here at this facility, a lot of people take pride in the work that they do because they know that the men and women that defend our country rely on our products to work.
It's our job to make sure that our cybersecurity and that our infrastructure is strong enough to prevent that from happening. And then if it does happen, we have the right company, such as BitLyft, to make sure that if we do have a breach, we have the right people behind the scenes in place to make sure it's handled correctly.
BitLyft is in the background, watching, waiting, monitoring threats. They let our team know as soon as they detect any threats and are able to shut it down. And it's important to partner with someone like BitLyft that has a deep understanding of the security threat.
We want to be at the top of our game for mid-sized businesses in aerospace and defense. BitLyft, being a Michigan company, was one of the first advantages we'd be giving back to Michigan. There was a lot that had to be learned in our industry, so that really impressed me that BitLyft wanted to learn everything about our business and how they could adjust to what we needed. I would describe BitLyft as knowledgeable, dependable, and reliable.